Welcome to my Ipsy unboxing where it's $10 a month with free shipping. Let's get started. Please give it a smashing thumbs up if you like this video and comment if you got the same stuff in your bag or different things or you're interested in this subscription. This is what the card says. Now in season, fresh spring beauty, and it shows like some fruits, the lips, and a lady. The first thing is that we got this cute bag that has a zipper right here that I already opened, and it says Ipsy, and it's lemons on the front and lemons on the back. Let's get started. The first thing that I got was this APTO Skincare Nourishing Mask in 0.5 fluid ounces, and it is made in USA. The second thing that I got was from The Balm. It is Bonjour, kind of like bonjour, but it's Bonjour. And let's see what's inside. It's in this really pretty reddish color, and it's a stain. And yeah, it'll go well. Let's see, what else did we get? Hold on, let me close this up so I don't ruin the lip stain on my carpet. The next and last two things that I got, one of them was this. It's called Tarte Double Duty Beauty. It is a base tape. It is hydrating primer base hydrate, and that's pretty cool from Tarte. And the second to the last thing that I got was new. It is called Coal of Honor Intense Kajal 01 Black. And let's open it up. And let's see what it's supposed to be. It's a very small package, so it's really hard to get it out. So, one sec. It is one of these. It is a black eyeliner in 01 Blackout. And it is from Kohl's. Thanks for watching. Please like and give it a smashing thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have any questions, I'll put the link down below so you can check out the website for yourself. Thanks for coming. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.